This tea is like hella good. And why this tea is relevant to this video? Well, this is from Sri Lanka. The person who gave me this tea is from Sri Lanka, and the person who gave me this tea was in the Aldi Brand Experience video. And this video, you might be like, this video is about S-Log, why is that relevant? Well, the Aldi Brand Experience video was shot in S-Log. It was actually my first experiencing and experimenting with S-Log and flat picture profiles, and here's what I learned. So TLDR, I'm never gonna shoot S-Log again. Like, never, ever, ever going to shoot S-Log again. Yeah, I'm serious. Why is you watching? I just gave you the TLDR. Like, you don't need to watch anymore. I'm just kidding, stay on. I'm gonna explain why and just kind of what I've learned from this experience so far. Okay, so it's not true that I'll never shoot S-Log again. It's just that I don't think I'll be shooting S-Log for like the next couple of months because I'm just not good enough yet. I'm not good enough at using the A7 III. I'm not good enough at color grading. I'm not good enough at working with my current equipment, that adding S-Log will just complicate things in this unnecessary manner that I shouldn't really bother with, at least not yet. And that is kind of like the main reasoning, because if you've watched the Aldi Brand Experience video, it came out trash. It's probably visually the worst video I've ever made. Pretty ashamed about the quality of that video, but I found it kind of funny, which is why I uploaded it anyway. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did watch it, if you didn't, go check it out. Just kind of listen to the audio, because our jokes are, my friend's pretty funny and we had pretty good laughs and banter, so that's pretty nice. So why was the video so lousy? So there are a few reasons for this. I shot on two different picture profiles. One of them was picture profile off, and the other one was with S-Log 3 and AskGamut 3. And that means color grading was inconsistent. On top of that, I don't have like good LUTs. I just downloaded some random free LUTs, which wasn't sufficient, clearly. And on top of that, these LUTs just kind of glitched out sometimes. I would apply a LUT and the whole screen will go white, like, I don't understand why this is happening. It's probably, I've read it up, it's probably because my screen can't display all those colors and I should be using a better screen, or I should be converting to Rec 709. But anyway, I have no idea. And that's kind of the problem, the fundamental problem. I am too new to this and I should probably just leave the S-Log really difficult stuff to the side. So yeah, that's kind of why the video turned out crap. The LUTs were crap. I didn't know how to color grade, I didn't know how to use the LUTs. There were different picture profiles used, which means inconsistent grading, and in general I just didn't know how to use my equipment well enough. I mean, the A7 III is a very new camera for me. I still have to learn the ins and outs of it. It's just kind of, everything's new. You just gotta get used to it and learn it first. Especially since I come from Canon, and Canon's like the Apple of cameras. It's so idiot proof, it's brilliant. Like, it's so much more intuitive, which is why I uploaded the whole nitpick video about the A7 III, because it's a lot more clumsier than the 70D. It's a better camera, that's without a doubt, but it's a clumsier camera than the 70D. I actually enjoy using the 70D a little bit more in terms of convenience, but when it comes to like image quality and shooting experience, this Sony still takes it. So win-win, lose-lose. You can't get the perfect camera, but it's pretty obvious. So that's why the video turned out crap, and that's why I won't be shooting S-Log from now on. It's simple. Don't run before I don't want to run before I walk. I don't want to walk before I can crawl. I don't want to like jump. I don't want to fly before I can jump. Whatever idiom, whatever analogy you have, I'm just going to put it there. I don't want to rush myself. I'm going to take my time and learn the equipment before just kind of pushing myself into like S-Log and really complicated stuff. Once I get good with whatever the basic stuff, the more efficient flat picture profiles like HLG and Cine, I would move on to S-Log and maybe even RAW one day with another camera or an external recorder. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I post a lot of stuff there, and if you want to ask me questions, you can pop me a DM over on Twitter and Instagram. I am happy to reply. Thank you all so much for watching once again, and cheers. Goodbye. Actually, this tea is like hella good. It's like, it's black tea with like this lemon tinge, you know. Perfect. It's also really hot because the lights are on and the aircon's off.